Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I am starting my day when I'm going to run my pocket option auto trader, what I'm looking for, and things like that. So, news are important. You have seen me in a few videos where I trade under news and you can see the results are much worse. So, if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this buying option robot that you will see I'm using in this video, you just use the link above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. So, what I do, I just go down here till you see here basically where we are right now in the market. And what do we see? We want to stay away from the American market. Okay, you see, basically just stay away from the American. I don't want to trade under medium news, and especially I do not want to trade under high news. So basically, if you just stay away from US dollar without trading, we will be golden. So this is something I do. So I make the bot. The bot basically will do the rest of the job. The people ask me, which time of day are you trading? Well, just check here, that's the only thing you need to do. The rest of the day does not matter that much with this type of trading. Just do your due diligence and check which type of pairs have big news. Stay away from the news, and that's it. That's enough. Of course, when you're trading, if you see you get many losses and you see this very trending market, just stop the bot, take a break, or change pair, but stay away from the ones that have news. Okay, so now we'll start the bot and let's see how we do. And there we have it, 16 trades, so I did let it run for a little while, and 11 wins and 7 losses, 61% win rate, not the best we have seen, but still more than we need. So $1,090 in profit. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, just use the link above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. So that, have an amazing day.